everybody, it's Luisa, and guess what I'm doing today? You've guessed it from the title, I guess. And yes, I am opening a new Squishy Shop grab bag. And there's also another squishy in here that I've ordered. So let's go ahead and get started. I have to say it's been a long time since one moment. Since I've opened squishies. Whoa, what's in there? Whoa, since I've opened squishies, and I'm really excited. Well, Squishy Shop grab bag squishies, I mean. And yeah, first I'm going to take out the mochi seal. I don't know, it's a Punimaru seal that I've got. Oh, it's smaller than I thought. So it's the panda one. There were lots of options, but I chose the panda one because look at it. I mean, it's so adorable, don't you think? I really do not want to open this up because if I open it, it's like I destroy it. So I'm going, yay! So the sticker wasn't destroyed. Can open it and reclose it like nothing happened. Oh, it's so cute and small. Oh my god, it smells so nice. Guys, it smells very good. I can't smell it. It's so small, but oh my god, guys. It smells like, don't make fun of me, car air fresheners. The peachy ones, I think. I don't know. It smells so good. Before I take it out of the plastic, one squish. So it's fast rising, I guess. It's so adorable. Oh, I'm so glad I got this. There's also... What? Wait, this is magnetic. So you can see this is ball chain, and yeah, I think there's a magnet, and the ball chain is metal. So I put it right there, and it doesn't fall. It doesn't fall off the squishy. So yeah, it's magnetic. Why is that? I mean, do you buy them all and stack them? That would be cool. I think there's also an ice cream like that Punimaru has. Look. It's a bit defected, I guess, because the ball chain was stuck to it and it made this kind of defect. But anyway, it's so adorable. It's a bit defected, to be honest. And here on the face. Why? You're so cute. I mean, I love it. It's so adorable. But it's sad that it's defected. It's brand new. But it's okay. It's a manufacturing defect. Oh my god, it smells so good. And it smells like exactly the air freshener I told you about. It's so soft. You guys like my nails? I love them so much. They're so adorable. My nail technician is just awesome. I love her so much. So go ahead and pull out. Oh my god, it's so huge. Pull out. Oh, there's an extra. Yay! And it's so adorable. Look at it. It's a rainbow bun. Oh, it's so pretty. It's not a bun, it's a croissant. And look, it has little rainbow bears on it. Oh, it's soft but not slow rising. Oh, I like it when I get extras. I like it a lot. Oh my god, it's so adorable. Why am I shouting? Does it smell? No, it does not smell. Oh my god, it's so cute. The back of it's kind of weird, but I don't care. It's so adorable. Oh my god, so happy. I hope my grab bag is good because I know that they put the same squishies in their grab bags all the time, and I really want it to be good. So everything is written in Japanese, I guess. I don't know which language this is, but the packaging, I mean, it's so adorable. Yeah, that's so cute. Look at how small they look. Oh, here is Cutiecreative $40 lucky grab bag. Let's see if the bag doesn't have anything inside, right? No, it doesn't. So, where are my scissors? Scissors, where are you? Here they are. Let's cut it open. Oh, I'm so excited. It's been so long. I hope I get good squishes. How to open a grab bag. Put it right there and start pulling out of it. And the first thing I see is something. Oh my god! You're not serious? No? This is not an actual squishy. This is a stuffed squishy, I guess. What do we call them? It has like something inside, like clay, soft clay. Let me show you. Oh my god, it's plastic. Yay! I am so happy and excited. Look at it. Do you see that? Do you see it? Do you see it? I guess you see it, right? It's soft. Where is licensing? It's JDREAM. Yay! So it's a JDREAM melon pan. And it stinks very much, but that's okay. Oh my god, it's so soft. So I'm not regretting this. I'm not. I mean, I got this. I don't know. I am so happy. It's only the first thing I got, but I'm so happy. It's so fun to squish. It's so soft. It's a different texture from other squishies. It's funny how the bubbles pop up. So yeah, that's it. Here is the packaging. It's so adorable. It has something in Japanese written on it. I'll put it right there and pull out the next thing. What is this? Oh my god, it's so adorable. It's a Punimaru koala, I think. It says cotton candy koala squishy. I love cotton candy. Yay! Yeah, it's Punimaru. And it's pink. Whoa. It's pink. And it's slow rising. And it's cotton candy. That's so cool. Yay! Oh, look at the tag. Look at it. It's cotton candy. Oh, it's so cute. And here is a squishy. Oh. It smells so nice. Here is the licensing. Look at it. Look at how the cotton candy he's holding is like ombre gradient color. Oh my god. It smells like rose water. I don't know if you know how rose water smells like, but it's like a million roses turned into water. I don't know how to exactly explain it to you, but it's so good. Oh my god, it's so soft. Look at it. I mean, look at my fingers on the squishy. They're staying on the squishy for so long. Oh my god, the smell is so nice. My mom is going to love this scent. Do you guys see how slow rising this is? I mean, there is only a small paint defect right there. You see it? But everything else is fine. And oh my god, I love it. Oh, it smells so good, seriously. If you don't own one of these, I recommend to you to get one. It's so soft, so soft. Put it right there. Let's see what I'm going to pull out next. What is this? Oh my god, it's so adorable. So this is a Yumeno I think it's called Yumeno ship. And it's so adorable. The packaging is so cute. Unfortunately, it's not resealable, and I'm going to have to keep it in the package. I'm the kind of person, when I see something cute, I want to preserve it. It's in original form, and I cannot close this one up back. I can't close it back, so I prefer to keep it like that. I am so sorry for not opening it. So it has a crown, and it's holding a star. It's so slow, so slow. My God, can I don't smell anything. Maybe it's because it's in a bag, but guys, it's so soft. My God, why did you have to put it in a bag that's not resealable? I've seen that now bags are becoming like Ziploc. That would be great if this one was Ziplocked. But it's adorable. I'm going to put it somewhere in my room. Just in its packaging is still adorable. Yay! Guys, I don't know if you understand it from me doing this video, but right now I am feeling so happy for the stuff I got. Next is this one. Oh my God! I was looking at this yesterday. This is so adorable. So it's a daisy waffle, and it has a quick pop-up, and that's okay. I mean, still soft. Oh my God, it's so adorable. And the tag is kind of weird. I don't know if it's original or not. I don't see any licensing on it. Wait, I see it. It says Disney right there. So I guess it's original. Oh my God. It doesn't smell like anything. She's so adorable. That's Daisy, right? I'm not saying the wrong name. I hope not. I think it's Donald's girlfriend. Oh my God, she's so adorably cute. If you count the times that I've said "oh my God" in this video, I think you're going to say that I say "oh my God" all the time. Yay! This is so cute. Let's pull another one. I was hoping not to get this in any of my grab bags. I've seen it a long time ago, and it's an egg in a chicken plush, and I don't know, it doesn't make me very excited. I don't know, maybe if I squish it and feel the squishiness of it, it could be more exciting. So it says Chucky Pulse. You can change our hat. So there are different color plushies. Let's open it. It's by Cutiecreative. Oh, this does not open easily. Come on. So, put it right there. And here it is. This is a plushie, it's just a plush. And here is egg. I mean, it's quite small. Well, it's good. Well, it's soft, iridescent. It's nice. Here is the licensing on the back. Does it smell? It smells sweet, but not overly scented. That's okay. I like it. Still like it. I mean, that's okay. It's not a bad squishy. I'm just not a fan of it. It's soft, very soft and slow rising. Yeah, that's me doing a chicken. Let's do another one. Where did they take this one from? Isn't this very old? I think it's like very, very old. I mean, 2 years old. I don't know. It's a Cutiecreative toothpaste. It says Smile Bright series, and yeah, has a sticker on it, which I appreciate because it shows the originality of the item. Yes. I don't know if originality is actually a word, but I just said it. Stuck on the plastic. So it has a weird residue. I don't know. It's kind of weird. So here it is. It says toothpaste, Kawaii fresh. Well, it's a very kawaii. I mean, if I had this kind of toothpaste, I would be so excited to wash my teeth. And it says 12-hour protection, whitening action, fresh breath, anti-cavity. Yeah. And here is the back. 100% Kawaii fresh all day. I'm not going to read the whole text right there. I just don't want to. Oh, it's pretty small, but it's very soft. Very, very soft and slow. It stinks. I mean, it doesn't smell like anything, and it has that chemical scent, but it's nice. It's very nice. It's funny. Yeah, not mad because it's small. It's good. It's good. Not disappointed. Don't think that I'm disappointed. I mean, it's very good. Next one is I have it from another Cutiecreative like grab bag. But that's okay because I love it. It's very adorable. Yeah, so it's a Mermaid, and it's a very nice squishy. Come on, open. Yeah. So here it is. It's defected on its eyes. I mean, the paint job is not that well. Maybe that's why they're giving them in the grab bags. Anyway, it's a Fua Life and Cutiecreative collab, and this one is softer than my other one. Yes, it's so nice. Does it smell? Yeah, it smells sweet, lightly scented. Yeah, not excited so much about this one. That's okay because it's pretty and it's a Mermaid. I'm not mad. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's take out the last one. Is it the last one? Yeah, it's the last one. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's a Cutiecreative what do we call it? Yummy bear holding 3 macarons. Macaron yummy bear. And the packaging is so adorable. So adorable. Let's give it a squeeze. It's slow rising. It's soft. Let's take it out. Wait a second. So. Oh, look at the tag. It's a little macaroon. Macaron, I don't know. I don't care. Oh, it's so cute. Let's work. So it's quite a big squishy, to be honest. And it's so adorable. The colors are lovely. Oh, it's my favorite scent. It's grape. Oh my god, it's so nice. So it's Yummy Bear holding on to 3 macaroons. There's a little strawberry on the top. Oh my god, it's so adorable. I love it. This one is going straight on my shelf. It's the perfect shelf squishy. I don't know. The licensing is on the bottom. And yeah. It's a bit defected. No, right now I don't want to squish it anymore. Do you see it? It's very small, but I can't see it. I mean, is there anywhere else? It's going to get defected right there if I squish it a little bit more. So the video was cut off because someone was calling me. Anyway, yeah, it's so cute and soft. Don't you agree? And it smells so good. So good. Wait, place it right there. And yeah, these are all the squishies that I've got from my squishyshop.com Cutiecreative shop. I don't know what to call it. I mean, I'm going to call it Cutiecreative $40 grab bag because that's what it is. So my favorite squishy from all these is this one. I mean, I gotta say, it has a perfect scent, a great squish, and it's so pretty, very pretty. Oh, it's so adorable. I love it. So anyway, in total, I've got 1, 2, 3 big squishies, and let's not count this. 1, 2, 3, 4 small squishies, and a big other kind of squishy. I don't know how to say it. So in total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 squishies, and I think the grab bag was really worth it. It was worth it. I'm going to try and link the squishies from the shop down below in my description and give you a total number of how much all of them cost together. So yeah, I want you to write down in the comments which one of all these was your favorite. So if you like my video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and yeah, I'm going to try and do more of these, and because I know you like them and I like them a lot. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.